Hello buddies, so in this video we are going to see about how to draw a customized vector files. It's like icon, how we can create a customized icon in Android Studio. Okay, so that's what we are going. Just this is you won't be, you may be or may not be used anywhere, so we are going to create some icons by ourselves inside Android Studio like this. Okay, so that's what in this video. Let's start with this. So actually normally when you upload some vectors in Android Studio, like, so it will look like this. So this is a vector file. So you may not be understand this, what is this width, what is this path, what is this graphite. So all those things you may not understand. So we are just going to give overview of what is this path data and what is this paths and viewport. So all those things, how to create the path by ourselves. So those things only I'm going to give you, and small overview of all those things, and then we are going to create some few icons inside this one. Okay, yeah, let's jump into it. So I just created one small icon. So from this one we are going to create our own vectors. Okay, so I just remove this one, and we have a vector tag. So inside this vector tag we're going to create one. So inside the vector tag, so vector tag should have the height and width. Okay, height. Okay, so height should be like what is the icon height and width. So usually you will import like import the icons width and height will be like 24 dp or 30 dp, so on like that. So I'm just going to give like, we'll create 30 dp. Okay, so width we can give like 30 dp. So we need to give viewport width and viewport. So this 30 dp is this overall frame width. Okay, it's like overall frame width. So viewport means what you are going to create inside that one, that needs to be draw within with this how many pixels. Okay, so that pixels. Okay, so that one also I'm giving 30. Okay, viewport height is equal to 30. Okay, so other options like alpha and all your normal thing. Alpha means the visibility of those things. Okay, so so you can see over here it is vector. Now we have a vector, so you can use this vector. So I want to draw something inside this one. Okay, so when I want to draw something inside, so I have to add path. Okay, so this is the path I am adding. So actually we don't want this close. I'm not going to add anything inside, so I'm just going to. Okay, so inside this path we have many things like stroke width, stroke joint, stroke line gap. Okay, stroke width I gave like 2. Okay, so line gap will be rounded. So you know what is rounded but square. Okay, rounded means it will be curvy corner, square means it will be like square. Okay, so I'm giving rounded, and another one stroke color will be, I'm giving black. Okay, then you can give fill or something like that. You can give fill means whatever we are drawing inside that. So it's based on your need, our need. Okay, so that is done. Okay, so this is fine. So now we are going to jump into a main part like path data. So what is path data? It's like whatever we are going to draw inside here, uh, we are writing here, it will draw in the in our this one. Okay, so I'm like I'll just going to give you a overview. So this is a 30 into the 30 dp frame, right? So I'll just give you an overview from here. So this is, so 30 into 30 frame. Okay, so just assume this as a matrix. Okay, so matrix will be like this is 1, this is 2. Okay, so 1 2 3 4, x will go in 1 2 3 4 like this, y will come like 1 2 3 4 like this. Okay, so we will have a 4 into 4 matrix, means 1 2 3 4 in the top and 1 2 3 4 in the bottom. Okay, 4 cross 4. Okay, I didn't prepare for that, but I'm just showing 4 cross 4. Okay, okay, so this is a 4 cross 4 matrix. Okay, just assume this is a 4 cross 4, so the numbers will be different, but let's assume 1 2 3 4 in this order and 1 2 3 4 in this order. So like that, that's how this square will assume. So if we want to draw something, so I want to draw something over this point, means I am taking the point 1 2 3 4. So this is 4, and from top 1 2 3. Okay, 4 comma 3, the point will be, the cursor will come. So I want to draw a line from the here to here, means I have to find out this point. It's like 12 comma 3. Okay, 12 comma 3, and I can draw a line. Okay, right? So let's see how to draw these things in our Android Studio. Same thing. Okay, so if I'm going to Android Studio in the path data, so we have few keys, right? Okay, let's so like we have yum. So yum is to move. Okay, move means move the cursor. Okay, then hutch to make the horizontal line. Okay, then v to vertical line. Then we have L. L is to draw the line from the point, from the M point to the L point. Okay, line. Okay, so now I am going to do that one. So first we will take M. M means it's a move the cursor. First we need to move cursor from which point we need. Okay, this is 30 into 30. I want the point over here. Just assume this is 4, this is 3. I am giving 4 comma 3. Now the cursor is in the command is line over here. I want to draw a line from this 4 comma 3 to this 4 comma, not this one is 4, this is like 12 comma 4. Okay, we have 30 means 25 comma 3. Okay, I am going to draw a line 25 comma 3. Okay, so you can see the straight line I formed. Okay, so this is the line you can draw. So M will be in this point, the line which I draw over here, it over this point. Okay, so now I want to draw one more line from this point to here. Okay, so I am going to draw a line from, so what is that, 2 comma 25, right? Let's assume 16 comma 3 will be this height, right? Height will increase now this time. This time this is 4 between 25, 3 between 25, 4 between 25, right? So 21 middle will be like 10 or something. Okay, so we can keep it like that. 16 is a x and the height will increase. So height I am going to increase like from 3 to 10 point will increase 13. Okay, now it is coming, so we can increase a little bit 16. Okay, yeah, so we have one more command, it's called z. Z will close the point. Okay, so if I gave z, it will close the point. So you got the triangle right now. Okay, so we have a triangle. So the point we have to make sure we need to give the center point of that one. So let's assume I am giving here 5 and this point is, so this is 5, this is 25, so the middle point will be 10 like that. Okay, so I am giving here 15. So now this is a perfect triangle. It is a little invert, so you want to make it upwards means you can draw it in the different, so you have to change. So first is x and second is y. So like the same thing, this is x, this is first point is, this is x, this is y. So that's why we create this point is high. So you can see 15 is x, this 16 is y. So the point came here, we draw the line, draw the triangle. Z to close the one. Okay, so this is how we can draw the square. Okay, you can draw straight line. So you can see the horizontal one. Okay, so this horizontal hutch, right? So horizontal hutch, I'll just you can draw, you can continue over here itself. If you gave you can make one more point also. Now I am going to move this point to bottom over here. Okay, over here means same. So the x will be 15, then the y will be like 27. Okay, so now the point is over here. I want to draw a line vertically. Okay, so I gave vertical 30. So this is horizontal, sorry. So I want a line horizontally. Okay, you can see it here from here to 30. Okay, so if I want to give full line, I want a line fully means if I gave here 0 and it will be completed. Okay, from full width it will from here to 30, it's full line. Okay. So this is horizontal. I want the same thing over in the vertical means same I'm going to do. I'm going to move the cursor, it's like M. Okay, move the cursor to center. So which is one, this is center means we gave 15, right? 15. From 15 to y will be like I am giving 0. Okay, y I am giving 0 and I'm making inside vertical. Okay, so this you can see it like little kind of speed symbol. Okay, so this is how we can draw vertical and horizontal symbols. So this, if I move this vertical to this 15 means it will be more useful. So what is this? Instead of 27 I'm giving to moving 15. Okay, so this is like different symbol. You can use this icon in some other way. Okay, like the same thing you can draw curves also. Let me command this one, will draw in a new way, new thing. Okay, so so we can do two paths also in the same thing. We can draw two paths, but for showing you it will be making confusion, right? So that's why I'm just commanding one thing and we are going to create new thing. We can continue there also, but for your knowledge, so we will just draw one half circle or circle. So circle will be little bit complicated over here, what it will like. So same thing, let me show you. First I am taking m and the point will be, starting point I'm giving 8, 12. So you can read, right? So this is x, so it's the same basic graph, x, y. X will be 8, this one will be 12. Okay, same thing, 8 is yeah, I am moving this point to 8 comma 12. So once the 8 comma 12, so we have a one more thing called c. It is cubic circle, something like that it will come. So it's like Brazilian cubic or something. Okay, so let me show you. I don't know the word exactly, but it will come like that. Okay, so we are giving the c. So in the c we have okay, in c we have 3 inputs we need to give. Okay, 3 c in immediately x comma y. Then we have 2 points. It is like center points, a centrical point. For drawing this one we have 2 centrical points. So first one is this one, x1 and x2, and another one is x2 comma y2, and another one is end point. It's like x3, e1 comma e2. Okay, e1 comma okay, e1 comma e2. Okay, so the start point is this one. Start point is this, the starting point. End point is which we are giving in the last. Okay, these 2 points are I have another one website actually. So where is that? Let me show you. So for explaining this Brazilian caves, okay, this is the one. Okay, so this is like, okay, Bézier curves. Okay, so just read whatever you want. So this is the curve. So what I'm saying is, so you can see in Android, so we gave 8 comma 12 is the starting point. Okay, same thing here. This is just assume this is the 8 comma 12 and just assume this is 8 comma 25. Okay, 25 or 24. Okay, so when we are marking these 2 points, okay, this will be 8 comma 12, this will be 8 comma 25. Same in Android, if you come, this is 8 comma 12, this e1 and e2 become 8 comma 24. Okay, now we want to find out x1 y1 x2 y2 from here. So if when we are, the x1 y1 will be this point, x2 y2 will be this point. Okay, so to finding out this point value and this point value is little bit difficult. So there is a lot of formulas over here, but I'm not going to go through all those things for you. I'm just going to tell you how to assume this one. Okay, so just assume this is a half circle, right? So for drawing the half circle, what you can see it over here, we can see the common points. So this is 8, this is in the straight line of this point, so this x will be 8. Okay, so you can see it over here, this is little high, it is like double the point like that. So you can give some random numbers like so this is 8 comma 12 means we have to go up, right? So when we are going up, you can give like 8 comma, instead of 12 you can reduce that one to 4 or 5. 4 you can give 4, 8 comma 4, so it is going to 8 comma 4. Then same thing you can come here, this is parallel to this one. So this is 8, this is 24 or 25, we gave 25, right? So in this 25, this will also be a 25, and this point what we decide, that is 4. So the same for 25 comma 4 it will come over here. So the circle we can assume the circle how to draw like this. Okay, I am going to demonstrate over now. So in the C, the first point will be just will add the endpoint first. 24 comma, not 24, yeah, 24 comma 12 is the endpoint. Now I'm going to add x1. So x1 I'm adding like same thing, 8 comma 4. Okay, x2 I'm going to add like 24 comma 4. Okay, so you can see the circle. Okay, so this is how it's work. So instead of 4, if I give 1, here also if I give 1, okay, so you can see it's look like half circle. So we want the same in the bottom, means I'm just going to draw the same, copy and paste the same thing. Okay, 8 comma 12, instead of this one, okay, instead of this one I'm going to add. So 1 means, what is that 1? It's like from this 12 we reduce 11 points, right? So same 11 points I'm going to increase from this 12 means 23, right? 23. So same thing here, I'm going to increase 23. So you can see the full circle we draw. So this is like a O, we got a circle. This is how you can assume and you can draw something with this. Okay, we draw. So we can do many things using this. We can draw a complete different designs using this one. So we have this one, so and we have this one too. So now you can see, so this one and this one will be nearly matching. So if you move this O little bit this side, it will become a piece simple, right? So that's how you can't create an icon over here. Instead of creating here, you can do it in Figma or somewhere and you can import it. But this is for your basic knowledge how we are drawing this path one. Okay, so if you want more things about how to create this graphical things, all those things, means just let me know in comments. We'll put more video. We will explore more about this particular vector points. Okay, yeah, thank you.